That's why I'm starting the car. Whoa, this bird. Other birds trying to. They're trying to push each other off. Whoa. Help me pick up birdie. I'm recording this whole thing. They're all calling for help. Whoa. Oh my god. Where's our buddy? Oh, our buddy's back. Oh! He just fell. I recorded that. Oh, our buddies. I love this. I love this. I can't stop recording. I got them falling. I have to record them. Look, are they calling for help?
No.
What is it?
They're competing. Look at all of them. I'm gonna throw one off.
Good job. Is that our buddy?
No, that's another guy.
Where's our buddy?
I don't know. Our buddy ate like a whole piece though, so he did pretty good.
Oh, I wanted to say bye-bye to him.
I know, he was the one that waited the longest.
Do you see them fall? Let's go check if they're okay.
Wow,
They are.
this is crazy. We're at the 20th floor.
This is a. That's our.
Oh, that's our buddy.
That's our buddy. Buddy. I'm recording now while falling. I've been recording this whole thing. Once the whole thing swooped in, I've been recording since then.
Ah! You got me.
Are you gonna believe?
No.
It's our friend.
That is our friend.
Oh, our friend really is. At least we can see our friend again. I had to record that.
Oh, look at that. He's poking him.
Is he trying to save us?